back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to file and calculate the easiest way in Delaware franchise tax. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to calculate and file the easy way of your Delaware franchise tax for LLC, LPS, and GPS, the process is really straightforward. All you gotta do is simply pay a flat annual tax of $300 due by June 1st. For corporations, the process involves an online filing system that automatically calculates the lowest tax amount using two methods, with the assumed par value capital method often resulting in lower tax for startups. So first of all, you need to gather all the information to file online: your 7-digit Delaware business entity file number, total gross asset, total number of issued share, date of your gross assets, current officer and director information, and then go to the website. Once you're in the website of Delaware Division of Corporations Annual Report and Tax Instruction website, you can enter your business entity file number. Once you have typed this in, you need to enter the data that has been asked and be sure to click on the recalculate tax button. After this, pay the final amount, which includes the franchise tax and a mandatory $50 annual report fee, using an electronic check. So for calculation method, you can go for authorized share method, that is completely default, and you can also use the assume par value capital method, which often is cheaper for startups. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.